This is an introduction into ERPLY back office and ERPLY POS. So we'll start off just logging into the system. You'll be supplied a unique URL, and in that URL you'll see there's a 6-digit code. And this 6-digit code is also your ERPLY client code. So when you go to log into your back office, you can use either the link supplied or go to s1.erply.com and put in the 6 digits that you'll be given. On the login page, you'll need to enter the customer code. This will be saved in your browser, so you'll only need to enter this the first time, and then your username and your password, and sign in. Once signed in, you'll now be inside ERPLY back office. And remember, it's very important to understand that there's 3 parts to ERPLY. We have the back office, which is what we're looking at now. We have the POS, which is over here, and we have the accounting, which is over here. And we use this menu to navigate across the system. So to go to the POS, or to go to the accounting, or to manage everything in the back office. So just starting right on the left hand side, first one up we have the Customers tab. Customers is where we manage our list of customers in the system. We can create new customers, we can edit existing customers, and we can also search through our customer database by loyalty card numbers, email addresses, names, and so on. Next up, under Sales, we have a breakdown between our sales invoices, our sales orders, and our quotes, and a few other menus here that we'll go into in detail later on. Mainly though, we first want to look at quotes. This will give us a list of all the current quotes in the system, and we can go and create new quotes from here. Similarly, for orders, we have the list of orders, and we can create new orders. And again, invoices, we have our list of invoices, and we can go and create new invoices. Right from here, we can actually see invoices that are being made from ERPLY back office and invoices that are being made from the POS interface. It's easy to see. Under here, we can see tax invoice payable, and with a customer, we can see that this is made from ERPLY back office. When we see receipt and tax invoice, we'll see it's under the POS customer, and this is actually being made from the point of sale interface, which we'll look at later on. Next on the menu, we have PIM, which is our product information manager, and that basically is our product catalog. Alright, so here we can see all our existing items in the system. We can click on existing ones and edit them, or we can go ahead and create new ones right from here. Again, at the top here we've got our search box, which allows us to search through all the codes that we have for this product, the name of the product, the supplier of the product, and a couple of other variations. This search interface goes across the whole system, so you can often close it up like that, or open it up by clicking on that little arrow. Next on, we have the inventory. This gives us an idea of our current inventory at a glance. We can see current stock at different stores, and we can see reserve stock as well from a glance. Next then, we have purchases. And purchases are where we can manage all our incoming stock. So creating new purchase orders, we can create from here. Purchase orders can also be created from sales orders, but we'll look at that later on. Under Retail Chain, it gives us the ability, if we're running multiple locations, to view our different locations and edit some basic information on those exact locations. Under Reporting, we have a wide variety of reports that we can pull through the system. Generally, sales reports will give us most of the information we need. And again, as I mentioned earlier, we have the search box right at the top here. If I close that up a little bit, you'll see it's a bit smaller. Most of the reports at the bottom here will run dependent on what information you've supplied in the search filters. So we can search between certain date ranges, we can search different product groups and product categories, we can search for sales by particular customers, by particular salespeople, by particular locations. Alright, so there's quite a bit of information to go through here, but to give you an idea, once we've inputted our search requirements in the filters, we can go ahead and simply just click on any of the reports, which will then pop up our sales summary, for example, or sales by weekdays, or sales by salesperson or by cashier, for example. And again, the information that we're seeing here is dependent on the filters that we've put into our search field at the top here. The next one then is Settings. This is not too important for you. This is where we configure most of the system for you. And then we have the POS and the accounting side, which we'll look at in a different video.